Hello, Namaste, welcome to All in One by Joy. My name is Bosky and today I'm going to show you how to remove limescale from your electric kettle. So let's get started. This is before and after cleaning clip. So first fill up the kettle with vinegar and water. Now turn on the kettle. The kettle will heat the vinegar and water mixture as it normally does. After it done boiling, add baking soda and put it on a side for an hour. It's been an hour. Now I'm going to dump this water. Now scrub the kettle outside and inside with cold soapy water. Now rinse the inside of the kettle with clean water several times to remove any traces of the vinegar and baking soda mixture. Now fill the kettle with clean water and allow it to come to a boil to clean inside of the kettle thoroughly. Now discard the water and rinse the inside of the kettle with clean water several times to remove any traces of the mixture. Now wipe outside of the kettle with the napkins. Now you can see the difference after cleaning it. So please do try this and let me know in a comment box below that how it works for you. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.